What's up everybody, welcome to Money Management channel. My name is Andrei and today I'm gonna be doing an update on Terra Luna Classic.
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born a rock star in this life, gonna live it up on.
And in today's video, first of all, I will show you where we are on the price chart and how we get there. Then I will continue with the fundamental news and I will show you that we have several news that might drive the price of this asset even higher. And at the end of this video, I will share my thoughts and my technical analysis, and I will show you what should we expect next. So let's start with the price chart. I made my previous video right here at this very bottom, and let me switch to hourly time frame. And I've told you right here that this asset lost a lot of its momentum because it broke several key levels. So one of them was the golden pocket range. As you can see, we hit this range to the tick, and I marked this range by pulling the Fibonacci retracement tool from this bottom to this top, and we had completed 5-wave structure right here, and I caught this movement to the upside to the tick, then this movement to the downside with this bounce. I predicted a lot of its movements, and because of this breakout below the 0.786 range, I thought that we might land even lower. And I missed completely this movement because it was quite artificial, and I will show you in my fundamental analysis what was the reason of this movement. But we didn't lose any money because I've told you that you shouldn't enter your position in the period of its uncertainty. And we had this massive movement to the upside for more than 70%, and then it had a retracement. And if I pull the Fibonacci retracement tool from its bottom to its top, as you can see, this asset didn't even hit the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement level. It had a very good range of support at 0.382. So it was very bullish during this consolidation phase. And this movement to the upside also had the highest chances to be in play, and it happened. So what should we expect next and how we can caught the next potential movement, I will show you in just several minutes. But for now, let's continue with the fundamental news. And first of all, let's start with the total sentiment of the crypto market. For now, we are sitting at $935.93 billion of total market cap. It is a tiny decrease of 0.19% over the last day. And as you can see, we have mixed behavior among the top coins. Bitcoin during last week gained about 1.18%, Ethereum lost about 1.35%, and BNB gained about 1.53%. And during last 24 hours, basically it lost just a fraction of its value. Bitcoin lost about 0.15%, Ethereum lost about 1.35%. It is the leader of this so-called movement. And BNB lost about 0.37%. So let's continue with the Terra Classic numbers. Let me show you right here. For now, it has a total market cap of $2.159 billion. It is a 19.47% increase over the last day, and the total tradable volume is $852.49 million. It is an increase for almost 40%. Definitely, it is a very good numbers, and let me show you right here on the Spotlight tab folder. You can see that Terra Classic is on the first place on the biggest gainers list. And right here on most visited coins, Terra Luna Classic is also on the third place. This means it had a decent momentum, and let me show you that right now on stocktweets.com website, this asset is on the first place in the most active section. And on the trending section, it is on the 8th place. And let me show you right here, we don't have this ticker symbol on the watchers section. This means this asset still has some momentum, and that's why we had this recent movement to the upside for, let me show you, for more than 25%. Definitely it is a very good movement, but what was the reason of first spike and second spike? And let me show you this news. We are on ambcrypto.com, and this article was published on October the 1st, and it's titled "Holding LUNC in your portfolio might not be a mistake. Here's why." And first of all, let me show you what was the reason of its previous spike. let me quote you this. The main reason of its spike for more than 70% is the support from Binance. The exchange mentioned that it would apply 1.2% consolidation fees for all deposits received on the platform before crediting to users' account. And here is the tweet itself. As you can see, it says, on top of supporting the long C burn with a tax fee on the margin and sports trades, Binance have just announced that they will be supporting the 1.2% on-chain burn. And definitely it was a very meaningful news, because right here, as you can see, if I switch to 4 hours time frame, let me show you that the volume during this movement to the upside was the highest volume ever on this, as you can see, on Binance exchange, and definitely it was the major movement to the upside with the highly increasing volume. That's why most likely we should see the trend continuation, but everything will depend on upcoming news. So, and let's continue with the technical analysis, but before we dive deep right here, please subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell and hit the like button. This helps me a lot. So guys, let's switch again to hourly time frame, and let me add the Bitcoin price action on this price chart. As you can see, Terra Luna doesn't follow the Bitcoin price action, and we have a lot of discrepancies in between these two assets. That's why we cannot rely on Bitcoin price action, and that's why Terra Luna is quite strong right now, in my opinion. So how we can find the next potential leg of this asset? First of all, let me show you that we have, if I connect these bottoms by the parallel channel tool, as you can see, this bottom and this one, and projected to the top, to this previous swing high, we have potential range where we might land if this pattern will work. So let me adjust this tool a little bit, and these ranges, this range of resistance might be the range where we might hit in upcoming days and where we might have a trend reversal. On top of that, if I pull the Fibonacci extension tool from this bottom to this top and to the bottom of the retracement, let me show you right here that we already hit 0.786 Fibonacci extension level. It is the price point of 0.0003758, and we have some kind of reaction. As you can see, previous reaction, let me show you more thoroughly. As you can see, previous reaction was exactly at 0.618 Fibonacci extension range, and it is the price point of 0.303502. And this means most likely we might have next reaction from the one-to-one extension, and from our current price we might have up to, let me show it to you like this, we might have up to 15% of upside potential, and definitely it is quite risky trade, because if I take a look on the RSI, we have lower highs on RSI. Let me show you right here. Let me connect these two tops. A lower high on RSI with a higher high on the price action, and this is the bearish divergence. And bearish divergence is the sign where we have the opportunity to see lower price action, and because of this we might retest this range of support, this lower line, and depending on the price action around this line, we might consider its next leg. So what should you do if you want to enter the position? Definitely I have to say that the current price is quite risky, because we don't have much chances to hit this range of one-to-one extension in the next couple of days. But right after the retracement, we have this opportunity to hit this target, and even to hit the upper resistance of this channel. So I think I will do another update in just several days in order to see how this pattern behaves. And if you like my video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel with notification bell. And see you guys and girls next time. Bye!
I got the cash in the bag, stadium packed, born around